Good morning, everyone, and welcome to your Chapter 8 test review. Let's begin. The first question is negative 6.4x equals 11.25. Please pause and try now. And the answer is negative 1.76. This is negative 6.4 times x. The opposite of multiplying is to divide. You have to do it to both sides. And that will be left with negative 1.76. Next question. 5.2 equals x over 1.8. Please pause and try now. And the answer is 9.36. This is x divided by 1.8. The opposite of dividing is to multiply. You must do that to both sides. You get your answer. 12.7 over x equals negative 3.3. Please pause and try now. The answer is x equals negative 3.85. Here the x is on the bottom. It's 12.7 divided by x, so the opposite of dividing by x is to multiply by x. We do that to both sides. Now we've got negative 3.3 times x. To get the x by itself, we have to divide by negative 3.3, and we're left with negative 3.85. Next question. X over 5 equals 4 over 11. Please pause and try now. The answer is, you can have 20 over 11 or 1.82. I'll accept either one. This is x divided by 5. The opposite's to multiply. Do that to both sides, and you're done. 0.5x plus 1.3 equals 2.87. Please pause and give it a try. And the answer is 3.14. The first step is to get rid of the 1.3 so you can isolate the x. It's plus 1.3, so you do the opposite, which would be minus 1.3 to both sides. Then simply divide by 0.5 and we're done. Next question. 7x minus 1 over 4 equals 3x over 5. Give it a try. The answer is 0.04 or 5 over 128. Here our first step is to eliminate our fractions. The denominators are 4 and 5. So the multiple of that, of 4 and 5, is 20. So we have to multiply everything by 20. That will eliminate our fractions, leaving us with 140x minus 5 equals 12x. Now, here we're going to gather all our x's on the right side this time. So we minus 140x from both sides, and then simply divide by 128, leaving us with 5 over 128. Next question. Negative 3.8 equals 4 times x minus 1.1. Give it a try. The answer is 0.15. The first step is to distribute to get rid of your brackets. Then add 4.4 to both sides. You're left with 4x equals 0.6 divided by 4, and you get your answer. Next question. 3 minus 9x equals negative 1x plus 11. Give it a try. The answer is negative 1. So the first step is to gather the x's together. This is negative 1x, so I added 1x to both sides. Then I move the negative 3 over here to help isolate the x. Divide both sides by negative 8, and I'm done. There we go. 3 2/3 equals negative 2 2/5 plus 4x over 5. Give that a try. The answer is 91 over 12 or 7.58. The first step is to convert the mixed numbers to improper fractions. Then we're going to multiply by 15 to eliminate our fractions, leaving us with 55 equals negative 36 plus 12x. We're going to add 36 to both sides, divide by 12, and we are done. Next question. 5 times x minus 2 over 4 equals 2 over 3. Please give that a try. And the answer is, pardon me. The answer is 38 over 15 or 2.53. The first step is to multiply by 12 to get rid of the fractions. And then we've got 3 times 5, which is 15, and 2 times 4, which is 8. Now we have to distribute this 15 to both things in the bracket. So we get 15x minus 30. Now we can add 30 to both sides, divide by 15, and we are done. Next question. 8 times x minus 1.3 equals 5 times 3x plus 4.4. Give it a try. The answer is negative 4.63. First step is to distribute on both sides to get rid of the brackets. Then we are going to minus 15 from 15x from both sides to get all our x's together. Then we'll add the 10.4 to help get the x by itself. Finally divide by negative 7, and we are done. Next question. 3x plus 4 over 2 equals 2x minus 1 over 7. This is our last one. Please pause and give it a try. The answer is negative 1.76 or negative 30 over 17. First step, again, is to get rid of the fractions. So we multiply by 14, as 14 is a multiple of 2 and 7. That leaves us with a 7 here, which we have to distribute to the 3x and the 4, as well as a 2 here, which we have to distribute to the 2x and the negative 1. Then, just as usual, we get the x's together, minus 4x from both sides, then subtract 28 from both sides, finally divide by 17, and we are finished. All right, that brings us to the end of today's review. This will help you with the Chapter 8 exam, which is upcoming. Thank you. Have a good day.